Hey guys, happy Monday. It is 6 something in the evening. I'm actually on my way to the twins. We have a community, we have a community pep rally. And so they spotlight all the fall sports, all the varsity teams in the fall sports. So that's where I'm going. I feel like I haven't stopped since I woke up this morning, and it's pretty true. That's why I haven't filmed anything yet, except for the grocery haul, which you guys will see tomorrow. Yeah. And then you'll see part of the pep rally tomorrow as well. But this is a one-shot wonder, and I really just wanted to share something with you. I really hope I don't have a lot of traffic. Anyway, I am feeling amazing. I know it's hard to tell, but I'm tired, but rightly so. You know, I have been up since 4:30 this morning. I have been up since 4:30 this morning, so yeah. And go at work today, which is great. I love busy days. Setting that car over. But what I kind of wanted to share with you was the fact that on Saturday and Sunday I unplugged. I watched a video here and there in between doing what I was doing, but I really enjoyed just doing the things I wanted to do without filming, without watching YouTube, without being on social media, period. It was quite uplifting. And I realized, last week I shared with you guys how I was feeling and how I was coming out of this seasonal disturbance kind of thing that 45 brought on, and how excited I was at the new chapter, and I still am, and even more so because I truly feel like I'm at the place where I was a couple years ago. With that said, I guess I need to backtrack a little bit. Go ahead. With that said, I used to be really, really picky about the way I kept my house. And then it's like over the last couple years, I kind of laid back a little bit. And you guys did a little spinny deal. I kind of laid back a little bit, and you're gonna have to just excuse the shadows for a minute. There's nothing I can do. And it became very overwhelming, and I would find myself not wanting to do anything because there was so much to do. And I know many people would say, hey, I know what that spot feels like. But for somebody who, like me, husband teases me, tells me I have OCD, I like my house clean. And I like it a certain way. And when it's not, I feel like I'm out of sorts. So I unplugged. I decided to let YouTube be on the back burner for a couple days, and I put my home first. Can't type, you guys, right now. It's weird. And it felt amazing. Absolutely amazing. Now, I went to bed last night utterly, completely exhausted, but accomplished in the same breath. I probably used muscles in my body that I have not used in a while. And that felt good. That felt good because I feel like now I can make progress and continue to move forward. I'm not saying our house was disgusting. I have one clutter area. I did have one clutter area that used to be my mom command center. It just seemed to become a catch-all. Oh, I can't see that. I'll have to look at it in a minute. It used to be my mom command center, but then it became a catch-all. And then I just tried to just not even touch it. And for the last few weeks, I have been wanting to revamp that area. And so yesterday, I spent a lot of time going through things. And it was so nice. It was so nice. Because I realized, one, I was holding on to things I didn't need to hold on to. And two, I was just putting it off. Even if it meant just sitting watching a video or 2 or 10. I moved the treadmill where it's in the living room. I did not walk on it this morning. I wanted to, but I was so sore from last night that I gave myself a break because I was exhausted. And really, I didn't have a whole lot of time this morning. Getting back in the groove. We're getting back in the groove of school. So my point of this whole video, rambly, is to take a step back every now and then. Reevaluate things. What is most important to you and why? And what can you let go of to tackle more of those more important places? Because if you don't do it, it won't be done for you. And if you don't take the initiative, someone is not going to tell you, hey, you need to go do this. So, there you go. I am going to bid you guys a fond farewell because I am fixing to, 1, see what one of the boys sent me text-wise, and 2, go get ready to maybe snap a little bit of action. They're just introducing the team, so not really a whole lot of action to do. I guess I'll park over here. Alright, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.